How to customize delivery optimization settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control how Windows downloads and shares update files across devices. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Windows Update in the left sidebar. After that, click on Advanced Options on the right side of the screen. At this point, click on Delivery Optimization. From here, you'll see a toggle labeled Allow Downloads from Other PCs. Turning this on lets Windows download update files from other devices on your network or from other PCs on the internet, which can speed up downloads significantly. Following this, if you turn that toggle on, you'll see two options underneath it. Devices on my local network shares update files between PCs connected to the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Devices on the internet and my local network allows Windows to also share and receive updates from PCs outside your network, which helps speed things up even more, but uses more bandwidth. After that, click on Advanced Options at the bottom of the Delivery Optimization page to set bandwidth limits. From here, you can set a percentage cap on how much of your bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the foreground and background separately. At this point, you can also set an upload limit to control how much data your PC shares with other devices, so it doesn't interfere with your regular internet usage. Finally, click Save to confirm any bandwidth limits you've set, and your delivery optimization settings will be active straight away. That's how you customize delivery optimization settings in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!